Dito tayo ngayong bayan sa bus stop. Mag-explore tayo sa downtown, yung walking tour nila ron. Antay lang ako ng bus. Yan ang 13 Port Edmonton. So yan, ito na. Good afternoon, sir. Okay, yeah. Port Edmonton. So, palit tayo ng bus. Sa LRT nila. Okay guys, LRT naman to. Medyo hindi ko kabisado. Kala ko bus pa rin yung papunta sa train na pala. So ito, tingnan natin, hindi ako maligaw. Baka sana mababa. Sana ito yung kaligaw-ligaw dito. Nandito yung hospital ni Aira. Sabi yan, nandito yung Stollery. Okay, nandito yung Stollery Hospital. Ayan pala. Ito pala yung
Health Sciences Jubilee Station.
pinaka-main entrance ng Stollery. Iba ko ito yung Ayan, Stollery Children's Hospital. Ano guys, yan. Ito yung hospital ni Aira. Ako nung lakad sa tulay na to. Yan. Galing ako sa hospital na. So, may free entrance sa kaka rito. Tingnan natin. Ito pala ang Citadel Theater. Walk. Ano meron dito? May mga sinihan. Parang movie. Now, can I roam around?
Oh yeah, you're more than welcome. If it's
Okay,
roped
so
off, though, you can't go.
where's the best place to start?
Probably be down here.
And then going up?
Yeah, you can go upstairs as well.
Okay. Okay, I'll try. Thank you. Thank you. Club Theater. Ito pala live theater.
Like system together, done, and lo and behold, I drilled it, and my pilot dish on back at me, and
Nagagawa pala rito.
so right now we have to take up.
May garden. Ganda. Okay. And that's Edmonton. So, pupunta ako dyan. Ito yung mga walking tour dito sa Edmonton. Okay. So, let me see kung ano. Ito mga kasi Ito ang Winston Churchill Square. Ito pala yan. So ito guys, pala yan, no? Yung maligo dyan. Ito, alas 3 na ng hapon, no? As per the watch there.